This is a relatively straightforward living challenge for Black. Black needs to save this one stone, and the best way to increase ice space in the process of saving this one stone is right here, standing down here. White cannot come in at number 2. So the best White can try is to reduce Black's ice space, but Black can stand down at number 7, and now this is a straight 4 shape, which is a living shape, no matter how White plays on the inside. And that's it. That's the correct answer. If you try any other move, this will lead to a ko, not ideal for Black. And if Black plays something like this, now Black will be a straight 3 shape, and this will be dead. So that kind of shows you how connecting here is much inferior to standing down here in terms of increasing ice space. So I think that's the key takeaway here. Standing down can be a really, really effective move, increasing ice space when you desperately need ice space to live. This will give Black just enough ice space to make a straight 4 pattern. Otherwise, it'll be a straight 3 and a dead shape. Hope that made sense. Good luck, and thank you for watching.